Hey, and welcome back. In today's video, I thought we'd hang out together a bit while I decorate and redo my patio. And I also want to share 15 of my all-time favorite summer hacks with you. Our deck was in really bad shape this year. All of the stain was kind of peeling, so I gave it a quick sand and then stained the whole thing. Now it's time to make it pretty. I'm going to lay down the rugs and bring up all the patio furniture. My first tip, if you're looking for more storage in your patio, is grabbing some of these plastic laundry hampers. I just cut a piece of wood for the top. This creates so much storage and a side table. So pillows or whatever random junk you have on your patio, get yourself some laundry hampers. They're cheap and they're perfect storage. I know I've talked about this hack a million times, but grab some dollar store pots, they're super cheap, and glue them together upside down. Like put one on top of the other to make like a big grand looking pot on a shoestring budget. If you're going to Walmart or a hardware store, a big pot like this would be at least $50. You can make it for around $5. If you want a spot to hang pool towels to dry or bathing suits, I really recommend like an old wooden ladder, or you can build a wooden ladder just like this. This was really inexpensive, but every rung could potentially be a different towel. And if you don't love the idea of a ladder though, you could always just get some dollar store hooks, put them right on your fence or right on your house, just giving a place for all of your towels and bathing suits. If you're looking for storage for all of your pool toys, goggles, maybe chlorine, getting a garage organizer that's metal and putting it outside is perfect. You can give it a quick clear coat of spray paint just to make sure that it doesn't rust, but this I have found is the perfect organizer for all of the stuff that we use in the pool. If you're like me and you have too many cushions, actually any outdoor cushions, you want to make sure you spray them with Scotchgard. Just a quick coat of Scotchgard. They even have outdoor Scotchgard, but this one's worked for me in the past. Will really make it waterproof and repel things like dirt and pollen and keep them looking brand new for a long time. I definitely think the one thing that everybody needs outside is a flip-flop bin, especially if you're like us here in Canada, you don't wear shoes in the house. So when we come out our back door, I don't want to walk on the grass. We have a dog in bare feet, and it just tracks a lot of dirt back in the house. So having a flip-flop bin at the back door is a must. And I like to fill it with cheap dollar store flip-flops for guests too. So if they're coming over, they can just go outside and pick a pair of shoes that they can take home with them as a gift. I also definitely recommend that you organize all of your summer like bug spray and sunscreen. In the past, I've used a lot of buckets that have stayed outside, but this year I'm going with like a little dollar store caddy that we can carry wherever we're going, and it's just convenient. I even added a first aid kit. That's kind of a must, that we can leave outside if the kids fall. They're not running in and out of the house all day for all these little things they need. Super convenient and super fast to do. Speaking of kids going in and out of the house all day long in the summer, it's annoying, especially if they're wet or dirty. So this year I'm gonna have a tray with lemonade and water and lots of glasses so they can just help themselves to a drink. And I'm turning this 3-tiered cart into a snack center because we always have neighborhood kids over. That way they can just help themselves to anything on the cart and they don't have to be going in the house. You totally have to organize a s'mores station. So grab all the supplies you use for s'mores and just keep them together on a tray or in a basket. And quick tip is to smoosh the chocolate inside the marshmallow so it's less mess when roasting. My favorite s'mores are using celebration cookies. Emily says to use Oreos and make a s'moreo. I like celebration cookies. Let me know what your favorite way to make a s'more. I got this cute little caddy years ago and I use it as like a picnic center. On those days where I just don't feel like doing dishes, or if we have company or a big party, I like to have everything organized together. So all the cutlery, paper plates, napkins, and I just keep it in the kitchen and I can just quickly grab it and pull it out when we're having a barbecue. I feel like this is an organizing must do for the summer. And speaking of making life easier, make sure you contain all the condiments in your fridge and the salad dressings, either in the side door or in a little basket. So anytime you're having a barbecue or you want a salad, you can just carry the entire thing outside. It's gonna save you a lot of time and just make life easier this summer. I also think you should run to the dollar store and get one of these serving trays that has lots of little pockets that comes with a lid, because you can fill it with fruits or snacks and then take the lid off, flip it upside down and put ice packs or ice in the bottom and keep it cold the whole time. This is definitely a summer staple. Definitely my favorite way to decorate the backyard in the summer is going to the dollar store for things like trays and outdoor dishes. I'm so in love with this set that I found, and it's great because it kind of adds a pop of color to your table, but it's so cheap, but it's also useful because you can eat on them. Seriously, if you're looking for really inexpensive outdoor decor, don't go anywhere else other than the dollar store. If you love going to the beach, make sure you have a beach bag that's always packed and ready to go with the essentials like beach toys, maybe some sunblock, so you can just grab it and go and save a ton of time. And I definitely recommend packing both a huge beach blanket that's waterproof and of course using a mesh beach bag. So when it's filled with sand, you just have to shake it out and toss it in your car. I'd like to take a second to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Summer is crazy busy and I don't want to spend my time having to plan dinners or go to the grocery store all the time. And so I love treating myself and my family to HelloFresh because not only is it delicious, but HelloFresh really takes care of all the mental work for me. They deliver pre-packaged, amazing chef-inspired meals to my door, but it's really easy to throw them together. Some of them are only 15 minutes to have a delicious, nutritious dinner done, and it's a lot cheaper than takeout. So if you're like me and you're busy all summer long, but you don't want to give up having delicious, healthy meals, you gotta give HelloFresh a try. Right now, go to HelloFresh.com and at checkout, use the promo code Clutterbug16 to get 16 free meals plus free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com, and at checkout, use the promo code Clutterbug16 for 16 free meals and free shipping. I saw this hack on TikTok. I haven't tried it yet. I'm very excited. I spend basically all summer on the soccer fields or watching Abby play baseball, Milo plays soccer, and I hate the sun. So listen, apparently you scooch this through and the hole at the bottom of bag chair is for an umbrella and it holds it automatically for you. So let's see if TikTok lied. I mean, I guess if you're sitting in it, but on TikTok, it was like, maybe I'm doing this wrong. Is it this back hole? No, it's this front hole. Oh, TikTok, why you gotta be such a liar? Even so, it's gonna fall back. You're a dirty, rotten liar, TikTok. This is why we don't believe any of the hacks we see on TikTok, but I feel like this one can be saved. Hold on. I watch all these TikTok. Yeah, but it's eh. It's eh.
No, it's not coming off.
Oh, that's pretty secure, actually. Yeah, good job, Joe.
So I'll show you what I did.
Okay, what's the secret?
Watch this. See when I take it out.
Okay, got the loop.
Got the loop.
Yeah.
Make the loop.
Put the bag through.
Right through. So now the bag's there.
Pull the bag through the loop, tighten it tight.
Tighten it tight.
Tight. And your bag won't blow away.
Bag's not gonna blow away. Done.
But also, stake it in the ground. TikTok, man. Those hacks never work out. This is nice though. Okay. My final tip, if you have a dog, I am obsessed with this little bag. It's like a kit from Amazon. It had a bunch of stuff with it. It was super cheap. But my favorite part about it is you can fill it with your dog's food, and there's lots of pockets for treats. There's like poop bags in here. It comes with a collapsible water dish. Like it's literally everything you need, whether you hike or camp or just go places with your dog in the summer. Everything they need is in one place, and this was crazy cheap. So I'm gonna put a link down to this below. It clips onto your pants. It's like I'm that nerd now that walks around with my dog kit on me 24/7. But she loves it, right? Right, Penny? Okay. Can you say, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of this stuff. And thanks for spending time with me today while I decorated my deck. We'll see you guys next time. Can you shake a paw? Good girl. Good girl. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Joe and I put in an offer on a house, which was very exciting, but then somebody else put in a bigger offer than ours. And then we were like, this is the highest we're gonna go. And then we went a little higher and then we chickened out and we're like, we're definitely not going any higher. So the other family got the house. But then a couple hours later, I just was like, first I was mad. I was mad that the other family put in an offer for so much. And second, I was like, this is like the only thing we found that ticked all the boxes. So we were really dumb and we put in a cash offer at the highest amount to match the other family. So they have 72 hours to waive all their conditions or we get the house. And there's 6 hours left until we know. By the time this airs, I could have a new house, which would be amazeballs. I'm so excited. I'm also so nervous because it's so much work. But like, dudes, this is exciting and I can't wait to share it with you. So again, I'm gonna put in the comments below, as you're watching this, I'm gonna pin the comment whether we got the house or not. And so there you go. It's like a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If I remember to do that, Emily will remind me. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Penny and I have been going to obedience classes for puppies and want to see what she's learned? Leave it. Leave it. Good girl, good girl. So she knows how to shake, she knows all those things, but here's what we're really working on. Pet, you don't like that treat? Oh, you do. Okay. Penny, bang, bang. Bang. Bet you dead. Bang, bang. Bet. She does know it. Just give me a second. Penny, come. Penny, come. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. You gotta pretend you're dead. Bang, bang. Oh, yeah. Good girl. I love training her. She's awesome. Good girl. Want to shake? Yeah. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. We got some work to do. It's okay. You're amazing. You're amazing.